Well, I had a debt company calling me, and I hadn't been able to take care of it, and eventually it got to the point where they had mailed me a settlement letter where they had offered me to take care of this debt for a certain price or amount. It was a lot of money, but they were offering to reduce it if I would, pay a certain amount of money. So it still was a lot of money. So I called my law provider, and he said to send him all the paperwork. So I did. I faxed over the information. He called me back within the hour because it was early in the morning, and he called me back within the hour and talked to me about my situation, and then he basically gave me a script of what to expect, to negotiate for myself. He told me what to say, what to expect, and he said, if they do this, then you say this. If he doesn't offer this, then you say thank you, hang up, and call me back. So I made the call, and I said I can't settle this for this amount. So then he made an offer, and then I said, oh, that's not going to work for me either. At that point, he said, hold on. Somebody else came on the line, and just like the attorney had said, he says they're going to give you a number to work with. He says if you can work with it, he goes, that's the settlement that you want. And sure enough, he put me on hold. Somebody else came on, and he introduced himself. He gave me a number. I could work with that number, and we made this debt go away. So all in all, he saved me about $6,000. So I was very, very pleased. I just called, and I guess they heard it in my voice, or I just knew what to do, and I was very grateful that I had somebody on my side that day.